broadcaster of this program. Viewer discretion is advised.
Most of the people out here are great people, a lot of nice people, law-abiding, hardworking, middle-class people, and they're just doing the best they can. So you got your 5% out here that are causing most of the problems, and those are the 5% I'm always dealing with. And they're usually the ones who are committing crimes against their friends. So today's victim is tomorrow's suspect a lot of times, because there's a lot of retribution and retaliation type crimes. An officer's got a stolen moped over in some apartments over off Greenway Avenue. The city was chasing it. We're going to see if we can back him up. Suspect on the moped back in line and back toward Scott at this time. Coming right at you, coming right at you. What? Everybody get back! Everybody get back now! Everybody back up! Back up! I don't care who it is! Back up! Everybody back up! Back up! Back up! Stop the vehicles! He's running the police! Back up! Back up! Yeah, that's the one I was chasing. Yeah. Traffic control, please.
When you said that he was running north through the alley, I knew the alley was ran east and west, so I come out there and slammed it and go right out.
North from Greenwood, the problem is that he went, and you know, it was only this wide, so I couldn't quite get my car in. I went everywhere else.
Somebody really said go down that line, like you can't get through this, that's when I come out on Scott and go out right and run.
That's what he did. He was coming out of Greenwood and then turned north there the full way, and he pulled right in front of me. I saw him cuss. That's it right there.
When he got there, he drove it down to the bottom, and I stopped. I was trying to get out to see because I thought he was going to ride on back around and come back on the street. And that's what I said, he was standing there. I'm like, what is he doing? You know, where his mom and all his brothers were there.
Thanks, Hoss. What is your question?
He was in that alley when he left. He just went back. They were right there with my dad.
Well, you asked me to tell me something.
I want to know what
Okay.
happened.
Okay. Ask me what you want to know.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay. We got a report that that's a stolen moped, and that he was running around Wayne Garden Apartments. We pulled him behind him. I chased him for at least 5 minutes, and he's refusing to stop, trying to ditch us. So we got him for felony evading arrest. Okay. All I know is he was over there doing that. I don't know what he was doing 5 minutes. I don't know what he was doing 5 minutes before that. Listen. He's under arrest. Get me on there as a witness. Since I chased the most of the way. Not all of it, but thanks, buddy, for picking up my slack. I always can count on you to take care of the light work.
People like to make fun of my accent, but that's all for fun. The citizens down here are very friendly. The community itself is growing. I think they're for a real football team here now. And that's my main reason why I'm a couple of police officers, a variety of things to do, and a variety of calls, and just a lot of different people down here. I'm not just I'll be in. We're gonna pull up on this corner. I got a report of a male in white hair. Had a knife. Was waving at a passing motorist. It's right there. Turn around. You got a knife on you? No. Flash yourself and showing a knife, passing motorists, you know anything about that? What are you wearing a skirt for? Scottish kilt. Is he Scottish? What do you got here? Wine? You don't know anything about what I'm talking about? Is this now? Whose stuff is this here? Yours? Is this be a knife? So do you know anything what I'm talking about? Have you been out here? Have you been out here exposing yourself or no? You on vacation? South Carolina. What are you doing here in Nashville? Trying to sing? You don't have any identification on you? California. You said you live in South Carolina? So, where are you living right now? No. You told me you were from South Carolina. So you bought it downtown somewhere. Oh, did you? Something those guys said you were out there like jumping around. When we got called that you were out in the middle of the road, flashing the knife around, exposing yourself. Exposing yourself, pulling up your skirt. Did you pull a knife out on anybody? You never flashed it at anybody? Just sitting in that bag the whole time? So they were lying is what you're saying? You throwing it at the board? What are you doing here in Nashville? Singing? What songs you sing? You sing enough free songs? Those are the verses that you know? That's it. You haven't been flashing at anybody? Sure. What do you got underneath your skirt? Do you got anything on or just your skirt? What do you got under it? Yeah, you know any music on? It's just that, there's nothing, it's just a skirt. Possibly that you were bending over to pick up a knife or something and motorists might have seen something as you were bending over. That possibly maybe that happened.
Think about what you're doing out here on the streets right now, everybody. That's so damn happy for you right there, all right? We're gonna be kids just for that. And I take you to that. How about that? Appreciate you, baby.
You can put your stuff back in the bag there. Put your stuff in there. See, you're bending over. Maybe somebody saw you doing that. That's probably what it was. Thought you were flashing them. Your girlfriend like that. That's why she's standing behind you. There you go. That's the way of doing it. You can't have liquor. Say you're bored? You got any more songs you want to sing? Well, you go home and practice. And we'll see you on the TV pretty soon. No, not there. We'll see you on CNT. Just a 920.